Nice to meet you. I am Parniti. I will explain about my research, growth and resistance of filial 1 kenaf interspecific cross to root knot nematode Melargis incognita. We know kenaf is one plant producing long fiber obtained from the bark by soaking and scraping. Kenaf fiber have many different diversification like paper, textile, geotextile, and dashboard. Kenaf is generally susceptible to root knot nematodes like Melargis incognita, Melargis arenaria, and Melargis javanica. Root knot nematode infection make a plant to grow stunted, sever itself, and then can death. Youth loads of kenaf productivity until 19% to 67%. Resistant to root knot nematodes can be inherited on the offspring. Crosses with resistant parent can be done to get offspring that are resistant to root knot nematode. Hibiscus radiatus and Hibiscus acetosella are close relatives of kenaf, which are known to have resistance to root knot nematode. Interspecific cross between kenaf and close relatives is to obtain high-yielding varieties of kenaf that are nematodes resistant. The material and methods in this experiment: the semi-field experiment using a randomized blocks design of 3 times in the Sweetener and Fiber Crop Research Institute or PALITAS. Experimental garden in October until 2 December 2019. Experiment use 3 genotypes of kenaf: Karangploso 1, kenaf Indo 2, Karangploso 15, and 2 close relatives of kenaf, Kal 2 and SRRH 0 to 3 and 6 filial 1. Interspecific of kenaf cross came like this picture. Infectum kenaf at the age of 15 days after planting with Melargis incognita nematodes, juvenile 2 as many as 40 individual per 100 gram soil per soil. The planting media were 55% sandy soil, 46% silt, and 17% clay. Sterilization of planting media was carried out using 44% formalin solution. Observation on the plant growth, stem height, stem diameter, fresh weight of shoot and fresh weight of root were conducted at 65 days after inoculation. Observation: the number of root knot nematodes and the reproduction factor were conducted at 75 days after inoculation. The analysis of variance was used to analyze of plant growth. The evaluation of kenaf genotype resistance was determined by using the Cal index, referring to Cantu Science 19x55 method. Like this table, number of Cal 0, Cal index is 1, the resistance classification is immune, and so on. The result from this experiment shown in table 2 that the growth of filial one interspecific growth of KNF not better than KNF parent, but there is some offspring have good growth like Cal2 cross KNF into 2, SRRH cross KNF into 2. It's better from another filial one and better than Radiatus and Acetosella parent. From this table, the good information that all of filial one is resistant to root knot nematodes with reproduction factor less than 1. This indicates that filial one is not good host of nematodes incognita. The conclusion from this experience, the growth of the filial one interspecific cross is smaller from KNF parent, but as RRH cross KNF into 2 and Cal2 cross KNF into 2 is higher than another filial one and Cal2 and SRRH parent. All of filial one KNF interspecific cross with close relative is resistant to root knot nematode. I think enough from our presentation. Thank you very much.